Yo. Oh, my bad. My bad. Yo. What up, Kenny? What up, P? Yeah, casual fucking move right there. Just a super casual rejection off the bottom orb. Nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here during the overnight. What up, Tickle? What up? Who else here? Uwe. LFT. You blew another My Funded Futures account. Yeah. Tonight's the night for accounts to be blown, that's for sure. Accounts will be blown. What up, Elliot? Complex. Praju. You're asking about Tradeify? Contact Tradeify support. I don't know anything about them. Maybe you need to log out and log back in. It happens sometimes. Maybe they're about to rug pull everybody. It wouldn't be Brett's first time. Oh, did I say that out loud? It's probably just a fucking technical fucking glitch. I'm sure everything will be fine. P. What's up, Pablo? Elliot. I don't know, man. Maybe. I mean, if you look at the chart, let me show you the chart. Hold on. We're kind of been just in this range. It could, I mean, it's retesting the Asia low. It's retesting the Asia low, which is 160. This is the lowest it's got since what? I don't even know. What was that? Fucking 7 hours ago? I just got to log into the accounts that I was working. Show you what I got going on. I fucking blew. I'm so pissed about one of my fucking accounts. I blew another one. I'm like, you fucking piece of shit. It's the only fucking the only black eye of my night, actually. The only black eye of my night. Although I haven't traded in fucking hours. I was doing other shit like hanging out with my family or hanging out with my wife. Wells Fondue, what up? Vivian, Robert Gallus, Bowser. Another one. You know, it happens. It's going to keep happening. We're going to blow accounts, guys. Every single one of you on this fucking stream right now, and there's only 35 of you right now watching, you're all going to blow. Funded accounts, evals, get used to it. Just get yourself to a point where it happens less often. You know what I mean? It's still not going to be any less annoying. It's fucking annoying, but it happens. What up, Marco? One up. What's good? What is that? What's a family? I mean, I've been fucking driving my son back and forth to soccer complexes all weekend because he had a tournament. And his team, they haven't won. Like, literally, he's been on this team. Like, he made the club team in like June. Aside from like a scrimmage here and there, they haven't won a fucking game in like a regulation game in a tournament. I think they've had a couple of ties, a tournament, a season, anything. They played like three or four tournaments whenever he's played with them, right? Because like sometimes he didn't play in every tournament that they played just because for whatever reason. They never won a fucking game. All of a sudden they go and win this tournament. You know what? It's just fucking, it's funny how that works. It's funny how that shit works. But hey, it was great to watch. I'm happy for them. I think it's great. Maybe it's because I'm still wearing my fucking clothes. Maybe it's because I was wearing my fucking championship, my NABA, my baseball championship fucking gear right here that I earned. Maybe that inspired them. That's what it was. That's what it was. Maybe the winning mentality, the culture rubbed off on them. I'm like the Robert Horry of men's baseball. I got so many chips, yo. So many fucking chips. I've only been in Vegas for fucking 5 years. I have more out here than I've gotten all the years. Maybe, if not more, as many championships out here as I did when I was all the years I played in New York. Anywho, Dan Emmons. Is it? You think the NQ is gonna grind out? Look, here we are. So what's crazy is we gapped down to open to open, right? And then we fucking dumped. So from 359, that was Friday's close, 359, or was it 356 or whatever it was, right? We gapped down 30 something points, and then from there we went down almost fucking 200 points. We went down 200 points basically from Friday. And then we came up, retested the bottom orb, and it just happened to be the 707. The bottom orb was literally right on the 707 on a happy little fib. Rejected off of that fucking thing. Came back up, rejected off the 618, bounced off the pivot point, came back up to the fucking bottom orb again, and here we are. Retesting Asia's lows. Bowser. Yo, we would practically be neighbors wherever you lived out here. We'd be a lot closer out here than we are now, Bowser. You ever think about that? What up, Lee? Exactly, Lee. You blowing up when you blow a prop firm. So he's talking about a personal account. Imagine having a personal account. I can't tell you how many funded accounts I've blown right before, right at the finish line. Imagine having a fucking, like, all right, for example, and I'm sure this isn't even as bad as what Lee's talking about. What up, Ron? Oh, man. Was that it? Retested the low? And look at the bounce already. 20 points. I mean, we might go lower, but right now it's fucking holding. Yeah, exactly. Imagine fucking 100K. That's a lot of drawdown. That's a lot of drawdown to blow through. Like I had an Apex account. I had an Apex account at 3,400 through 5 days. That might be it for now. Holy fuck. Had that shit at 3,400 plus through 5 days. I blew it all in like a fucking 5-minute sequence of trading. But what did I really lose? I lost, that account was $33.40. Damn, what a fucking bounce. 35 fucking points, or 30-ish points. I lost $33.40 plus 105. I lost $140 basically. What's up, Trading Star? V33, what's good? You know what I'm saying? Like that's what, like, what are you losing? I'm not talking about, like, forget about like if you keep blowing accounts, if you're like anything like me and I've, racked up a fucking hefty tuition learning how to do this shit, right? It's still not as much as what fucking Lee lost on a fucking personal account. Probably just had a really bad fucking sequence. So like, as much as it fucking sucks to blow a funded account, what do you really like? What, like when Apex is fucking doing 90% off and you get a 50K for fucking $16.70 and you blow that shit. Even if you fucking pass it and you get the funded account, what are you really losing? But if you fucking did that, like if I did that with a fucking live account, with a personal account, not a live account, but a personal account, that $3,400 account that I had, I would have lost 30. Or even when you buy a fucking 50K account and you're buying the drawdown. That's what you're buying. You're buying the drawdown. Where else can you get $2,500 of drawdown for $33.40 right now as we speak? You can't. Obviously another prop firm maybe. $33.40 for $2,500 of drawdown. Yeah, there's fucking rules, and the rules are fucking stupid and all that shit. We get it. But hey, learn how to play the fucking game and it won't matter. It's still better than fucking losing $2,500 of drawdown in a personal account, because that's $2,500. You know how many fucking evals and funded accounts you would need to blow through before you lost $2,500? Yeah, I know my battery's dying. Yeah, it's all right, Lee. The best part about it is you could get it all back. And you learned from it. You learned a hard fucking lesson. Why do you think I don't really trade options? Why do you think, well, no, I don't really not trade options. I don't trade options anymore. Why do you think I haven't traded options in years? You know what I'm saying? Been there. Lost plenty of fucking money. And it wasn't just drawdown. I need to expand this fucker. All right. That was a cool little exercise right there of let's retest the fucking, is it going to do it now? I mean, that was some fucking crazy that was just a random that was at 215 that happened. We just went from fucking 64 to 200. We retested 200 and and we're rejecting right now. Lee, yeah. Yep. This Trump market, I mean, you only just started. You fucking started at a rough time to start, because fucking Trump, man. This Trumpian shit. Guy fucking farts and the market fucking dumps. Anyway, let me show you what I got going on here. I passed 2 XFAs with Top Step. I was a little concerned with how much these were up. So I did I did 1,500 on Friday, and I did 1,600 on today in this account, and then I did 1,500 on Friday in this one, and almost 1,600 in this one, in the follower. So I don't know. I'm not really sure. Wow, is this thing gonna just go back up? Maybe it might retest the pivot point. Here's the pivot point, which is at 205, 206. So I passed these two fucking combines. I just don't know. Guys were telling, I think it was Kenny saying that I should be fine. They do have a 50% consistency rule, but they're loose with it. I've never had them come back. They're not like Take Profit Trader when they're really fucking strict with it. I've never had them come back and say, yeah, you need to trade another day. But I've never gone this far over from one day to another. So we'll see. What up, Don? Yeah, Don. Yeah, the fucking markets were so fucking overblown. We hit 22,000. We went over 22,000. This shit fucking pumped. TJP, what's good? I think the tariffs start on the 1st. They might even start today. Well, I mean, everybody knows the tariffs are coming on the 1st. What up, Zayback? 99% of gamblers quit before they went big. Yep. I made a fucking little short about that shit. Not talking about gamblers. Just people. Prop firm traders. Look, did we just hit that fucking... No, that wasn't it. But look at this level. We fucking came back up to this area right here. This area, this chop right here is resistance. Now we're fucking going back down. It's amazing how that shit works. Also happens to be the lower the VWAP band. Let me show you my Apex account. Oh, damn. Look at all that fucking green. That fucking green. Oh, shit, son. Look at this one. Day 8. Day 8's fucking locked. Locked. And then these are on day 2. These could have been so much fucking more. Guess what happened? You'll never guess what fucking happened in this trade. Actually, I lost like $500 on my first trade, but forget about that. My fucking take profit, I had my take profits at levels. I got taken out of 1, and I was trailing aggressively at that point. I got taken out of, I didn't get taken out of the next one. I actually, got taken out of the trade for a gain. And then, within the next 5 to 10 minutes, both of my fucking take profits got hit. It was probably more like 10, 15 minutes. And I could be up like another $500, $400 or $500. But whatever, I'll take it. $1,360 through 2 days. On pace to be in max payout land in another 4 days. All right, now we're approaching the pivot point. We're getting there. This is the 15-minute candle right here. This 15-minute candle closes above this one. We might keep going for a ride. And there's still 6 minutes left in this candle. We could go above that pivot point and like right here to like 210. So Apex is looking fucking fantastic. Oh, by the way, I'm locked in for a max payout here. 8 days in. I think I said that already, but I felt like saying it again. My strategy's working. My strategy. Being strategic with this shit. And if I'm gonna blow a lot of fucking funded Apex accounts while I'm just trying to get a payout here and there, I might as well go for the fucking max payout. I know at some point I'll get, more than one account to that fucking magical kingdom of max payout land. So I'm just gonna keep it's max payout or I'll do it. Max payout or bust. That's how I'm fucking rolling. How I approach it, Might not be for everyone where I'm trading 3 minis at a fucking time, but hey, you know, trade however you want to fucking trade. Don't worry about me. But here we are. This is the first account that I decided to do that with. 213 was the one that was up $3,400. I could have easily have gotten there with that one too. I just fucking was an idiot. But yeah, I'm going to be requesting at the end of today. So maybe we'll have a payout request party during I don't know if my son's going to practice. He's pretty fucking banged up, but they do have practice. So if he goes to practice, then I'll have a payout request party during the whip stream. I don't know, though. I don't know. But yeah, I'll be fucking requesting regard. Look at that shit. And I actually did like a responsible thing too. I said, I'm not going to let myself lose. I couldn't lose more. I was up. So I was at 4,319 bucks. So I couldn't lose more than 219 bucks. So I did like a responsible thing. I went in and set up my risk settings and set my daily loss limit to $197 just to account for fucking like any type of weird slippage where I lose more than what my daily loss limit says. And it didn't matter because I got $140. So, you know, I am requesting this on, I don't know how I want to, well, this isn't going to count towards March because think about it. I'm going to request, I'm not going to get approved. I don't know if I'm going to get approved. I could count this either towards March and say I got a 5-figure month, or I could just count this towards April and fucking just start the beginning of April with fucking 2 Gs. So I don't know how I'm going to approach that. What do you guys think? DGen Rich, what up? Yup, Bowser, exactly. I'm more of a fucking degenerate gambler type of trader. You know, so I will make mistakes and I will have a fucking bad 5 to 10 minute sequence and blow an account from it. It happens. I'm taking it no matter what. I just don't know if I should count it towards March or April because I'm going to request later today, right? I'm going to request on March 31st in March, but I'm not going to get approved until, or denied. I don't even know if I'm going to get a fucking approved, right? Because it's Apex. I don't see any reason why I won't. I didn't violate any rules. I didn't violate the 30% fucking down whatchamacallit, the 30% drawdown rule. I didn't violate the 5-to-1 risk. Damn, look at this shit go. There it is, 210. No, we blew through 210. Holy fuck. We're up fucking 60 points. What the fuck? Yeah, Robert Gallis. Yeah, that's just probably the appropriate thing anyway, because I won't be approved. Like, it's not like it's take profit trader and I know I'm going to get the money for a fact, or Top Step, you know, or my funded futures. With Apex, I got to wait for them to decide. They're going to look for a reason to deny me. They're going to hope they could find any reason to deny me. And if they can't, then I get approved. That's how it works. So that'll have to be April. But I'll take it. I don't care. I did the fucking job right there. We did it, Joe. Yeah, V33. Exactly, bro. That's what I usually do. But I was so fucking close. If I didn't unpay myself $1,000, it was 1,018 that I would have ended up with. That one time I unpaid myself with Take Profit Trader because I fucking traded before the money came off the account and put in the wallet, I'd be at 5 figures. I did $9,084 in payouts this month, which is great. I'm not complaining. It could have been better. And then I had a Top Step account that I was working for a second payout. I was on day 5. All I needed to do was get $200 fucking dollars. All I had to do was get $200. Uh-oh. Ron, don't worry. I'm gonna get my charges. All I had to do was get $200 fucking dollars, and I could not fucking do it, and I blew the account. So between that, I mean, that was money I didn't cross the finish line, but let's say I got that done, I'd be over $11,000 this month, because it would have been like that would have been like, if I would have got that day in, it would have been like an $1,100 payout. Hold on a sec, I'll be right back. What up, Nonstop? What up, Cashall? What up, DBT? What up, Steam? What up, Mikey Souls? Oh, Lisa. What up? What up? Oh, and this is, yeah, I had an account here. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. I had a fucking Take Profit Trader account that I got halfway up on Friday. I did it for the stream, and then I got fucking bottom ticked right, where was it? Like literally right here. I got a little too over leverage, and then fucking sure enough, as soon as I got taken out, it fucking pumped. That happens to me a lot. But you know, it is what it is. I have nothing to trade right now, actually. I'm not touching these fuckers. What about, wow, we came all the way back to the VWAP. 70 fucking points after retesting the low and not quite hitting it. Just when you think you're going to make new lows, the NQ decides to pump fucking 70 points. Maybe this will be the time it gets lower. I'm sure during New York it's going to get fucking lower. Let me see what the calendar's looking like. There's going to be more of this fucking tariff talk. You know what I'm saying? All this tariff talk's going to happen. Oh, just Germany. That's all that's going on. Monday. Well, you got all the tariff talk. They're going to be talking about it all fucking day, because it's like the deadline before it all fucking takes place. Then you got fucking PMI in the US and job openings. That's Tuesday the 1st, April 1st. You got non-farm payroll. Well, this is the ADP, which is not as crazy as that's Wednesday. Friday's the day. You got unemployment claims on Thursday. You got PMI on Thursday. There's two different PMIs. You got the fucking manufacturing PMI. You got manufacturing PMI, and then you got fucking services PMI. And then Friday, you got fucking non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, fucking jerk off Jerome's are going to speak. So, got a busy, I mean, we don't even need anything to be going on today, because all they're going to be doing today is talking about all this tariff shit, right? I'm sure Trump's going to come on and talk and be like, tariffs, China, you know? And then the market's going to react. Johnny. Yeah, the Discord is fucking alive. The Discord is more than alive. It's fucking thriving. What up, Momo? Yeah, Mikey Souls, bro. Dude, I just got fucking paid. I just requested $3,181 across those two Top Step accounts last week. They take the money out the next day, which was awesome. They took it out quick, a lot faster than the last time. Actually, it was quick with Tradeify, but this one on Project SlipX, it was quick. So I was like, oh, let me fucking trade this fucking thing. Let me get it back up. I fucking blew that shit. I blew both accounts. the first fucking day after they took the money out. Severe fucking post-payout degenerate syndrome. Momo's here for free coke. Oh, man. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Vitor, what's good? The Discord is look at this fucking Discord. We got people. Some of you guys are in there. Some of you guys are fucking in there already. A bunch of you guys are in there. Like we got fucking, how many members are in here? 1,174 members. Obviously, not all 1,174 people are active. But this Discord is the fucking shit. I'm telling you. What's up, Franny? Anyone who's in there and hangs out in there on a regular basis or even semi-regular will tell you it is the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Hands fucking down. There's not even a fucking close second. 9 to 5, what up? It's so fucking good. You got other fucking people who run their own Discords coming and hanging out in my fucking Discord. And it has nothing to do with me. Because all I really do, I'm just the chief gift officer. It's the community that fucking makes it great. What up, Ben? 9 to 5, what's good? A 50 to 60% drop from all-time highs? Holy fuck. That's how you know inflation's going away too. That's how you know they're getting rid of inflation. The only reason we were at fucking 22,000 to begin with was because of fucking inflation was insane. Khan, what up? Roger Adams, what did I do? I don't know. I fucking was passed out on the couch for the last fucking 2 hours. But yeah, this fucking Discord, bro. This Discord is so good. We got people that we kicked out that fucking create aliases. They go and create new Discord accounts to try to fucking sneak in and pretend that there's someone that they're not, just so they could hang out, just so they could be a part of it. It's that fucking good. I had to fucking, they always fucking reveal themselves. And then they fucking send me a DM saying, oh man, you're the reason why it won't stop. It won't, you're the reason why this keeps happening. I'm like thinking to myself, like, bro, you forfeited your privilege of hanging out with all of us by being a fucking prick. And then disrespecting me, you disrespected everybody. Why the fuck would I let you back in and let you fucking hang out? Go fuck yourself. But whatever. People love this fucking community. It's the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Let me drop the link right here. Let me drop it in here real quick. Nonstop trader. A fucking, we don't really have we have a very small fucking prick. Don't be a douchebag. And we've had to kick people out for being douchebags, especially me. I'll fucking kick you the fuck out. Not you, Nonstop, just people in general. I like to keep it, the vibes are the same in the Discord as they are on the stream right now. You know how we're all just chilling here? We're all just hanging out, right? We all want the best for each other. At least the people that I could see communicating in the chat. That's how the Discord is. Anyway, let's see what we're doing here. What up, AS? AS will tell you. AS will tell. What up, Zach? AS will tell you how good the fucking Discord is. Oh yeah, I'm normal, nonstop. Well, you can't be normal either. Okay, no normies allowed. Yep, good vibes only. There's going to be times where it gets a little fucking, you got egos in there too. So sometimes you got some egos going back and forth at each other, but that dissipates, and it happens. It's very rare. Zach, you know what's funny? It's not even my Discord. It's not. I don't even own this Discord. Just got my name on it. They set this shit up for me when I first started streaming it, and like we had like like, you know, like the OG group. We had a bunch of like the same people that were coming to hang out on the streams, and they're like, "Yo, Jay, you need to set up a Discord. Set up a Discord." They were begging me to set it up. I was like, I don't want to. And then Peter Schaap set it up. So technically, it's Peter Schaap's Discord. Crypto, yeah. Well, I don't even think it was London, bro. It wasn't even London. It was actually fucking Asia. The market was moving around so much. The market did this. And then I caught the fucking bounce, basically. I caught the bounce and the drop. I caught the bounce with my fucking Apex accounts, I think. And then I caught the bounce and the drop with my Top Step accounts. And I got bottom ticked right here in my that one take profit trader account I had. I'm going to load up on more accounts. I'm just not doing it right this second. I don't know. You want me to get the yeah? What do you want me to add? What would you? I don't even. Yeah, Brett. Yep, Brett Simba. Yep. What do you want me to ask him? Why did you rug pull all those people who fucking you sold NFTs to, and you were supposed to trade that money and fucking redistribute the profits? Why'd you fucking rug pull them? Oh, how he's so smart. Oh, never mind. I didn't have that many take profit traders to begin with, Ercon, after blowing all my fundeds. I'll build it all back up. I got two more. I had two more. I had 3 funded accounts the last week, and I blew them all. But whatever. I'm getting payouts. I think trying to see how much I got last week in payouts. I think it was just Top Step. DCA works well in investing. I don't know. Maybe with crypto. Kind of because it forces you to. He had help, Momo. He didn't do it all by himself. He had financial backing. Or he took everybody's money and used it for prop firms. One or the other. I would say he has a partner. He doesn't do it all by himself. He is a smart dude. He is a very smart guy. He's a smart kid. He didn't just roll onto the scene and fucking start and build a prop firm. He's been in this, you know, trading space for a long time. He used to run a signals thing, $100 a month for signals, for option signals. And then he pivoted to prop firms. Actually, what happened was he would fucking show all these gains in the NQ trading futures. He would show this like, oh, look what I did with NQ. And then people are like, bro, those are fucking prop firms. That's not your real money. Those are prop firm accounts. He got fucking called out for that shit all the time. And then he actually fully pivoted to prop firms. His partners, he had 2 fucking partners. He had one long-time partner from his signals days, disappeared off the face of the earth. And then his other partner that they brought in like towards the end, he hasn't made a fucking video in like 2 years. And that guy was really fucking smart. There was signals groups. It's almost like he fucking made a deal and got out clean. And then he pivoted to prop firms, was trading with Apex and shit, streaming, you know, took his, you know, he had a fucking audience already. And it was all because he was fucking working on his own prop firm with a partner, had some financial backing. Because you can't just, not anyone could just get Tradeify. He had Tradeify. And then he launched his Tradeify. But he did rug pull people before that all happened on 2 separate occasions. So that's why I don't ever trade with Tradeify, because I know about all that shit. Although they're doing a great job with Tradeify. I just have a very sour taste in my mouth from knowing about all of that. I learned the golden shower pocket from him. I learned this golden pocket from Brett Simba. This shit. This whole configuration, the color scheme, everything from him. So, you know, I don't hate him. I just don't want to give him my money anymore. Look at that. We fucking hit the VWAP and we rejected 34, 40 something points just like that. We might make new lows, man. If this doesn't hold, nah, Ercon, no fee pro. I don't think the no fee promo is ending today. They haven't said anything. Usually, you know how you'll know when it's ending, Ercon? You'll start seeing fucking ads for it, and you'll start getting emails from them saying it's ending soon. They'll say it's ending soon. And soon means it could be 3 days, a week, 2 weeks before it actually ends. The take profit trader deal. Yeah, P is smart move, man. Smart move. 390 is a good day, bro. Just take it. Steam team, I don't know. I don't even give a fuck about Scott. Manuel, what up? Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, dude, see, Manuel knows. I'm not the only one. Like, I'm not making this shit up. You would think that he's in the fucking, Manuel, you think he's in like the fucking witness protection program? Kevin Trades was fucking crazy. Like, he was a good trader. I think the fucking feds ran up on that whole fucking operation and said, listen, Brett, either fucking turn over your fucking friends or you're going down with them. It just seems like a movie situation, but who knows? Maybe none of that happened. But Kevin fucking literally disappeared and they were making a fuck ton of money together. Nah, I think Tradeify is fine. Trade iffy. Exactly. You never heard of Kevin Trades. The dude was just as big as Brett, if not bigger. There was another kid, Manuel. You remember, if you're still here, you remember what the fuck was his name? Scrubgenics? Scrubgenics was the other guy they brought in. They had like a guy that was big into like crude, a crude oil guy. Black Beauty Machine, what up? Any thoughts on Funded Futures Network? They have a sale now with no activation fee. I don't know. I ain't fucking with them. After all that shit with Danny Trades, I wasn't gonna fuck with them anyway. They're too new for me. He had a YouTube channel. Yep. Social media. Probably still does have a YouTube channel. Just hasn't posted to it in fucking a long ass time. Satoshi, what up? But yeah, Trade Iffy. I don't think Trade Iffy's. First of all, Brett doesn't run that shit by himself. He's just he's the sales guy. He's the hype. He's the pitch man. He's the front man. There's someone behind the scenes that fucking is funding that whole thing and also helping him run the whole thing from the background. Oh, Fund the Futures Network. Oh, I'm thinking it. Oh, my bad. I can't keep up. They're all the same fucking. They all got the same fucking names. Yeah, Funded Futures. Oh yeah, fucking Family Futures. My bad. Fund the Futures Network. I don't know. Again, another prop firm that just is very new. I'm not fucking with them. I'm good. I fuck with Apex, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, bulenox, Top Step, and Trade Day. I'm good with those. Yeah, Mo. Yup. That was his name. They've been around since 2022. Cool, man. I don't fuck with them. You think Kevin went into gaming? Why would he do that? He was making so much money trading. He could have just started his own signals thing. He was making so much money just from the signals. They had thousands of people giving him $100 a month. Brett's old partner from his fucking signals days. Yeah, I don't know. What's up, Shari? I got my hands full with the prop firms I trade with. I'm not going to fuck with a new one. I would have been fucking with Trade Iffy a lot soon. I would have been fucking with Trade Iffy had it not been for the shit I know about Brett. Yeah, how do you walk away from all that money unless you got fucking told to walk away? Like a lot of people were telling me to walk away from Apex after getting denied 8 times in a row. No, he's not well, what happened was he fucking launched an NFT. He launched an NFT to all of the signals guys, all of his signals paying customers. Like, he had a big audience. He still does, but I mean, he did even back then. And it was like thousands of dollars. And the whole fucking, it's called Wall Street Wolves. You could look it up. The whole fucking plan was to, and he publicly said it on Twitter, I'm gonna take this money and trade crypto with it, and share the profits with the NFT holders. You know, it'll be like a fucking hedge fund. He called it a fucking hedge fund. And all of a sudden, that shit, no one ever talked about it anymore. Everybody's money everybody got fucked. He says that it was because he put the money in FTX. And that's where all the money disappeared from, but whatever. I don't give a fuck. You made enough money from prop firms since that happened that you could have paid all those people back, but I doubt he did. I doubt he will. Florencia, what up? Do I know Trade Desk? Yeah, I heard of them. 19,140. I think, dude, man, V33. I think we're fucking. I don't know. I think we're going down. I think we're gonna break this low at some point today. I mean, look at the fucking. This is the 15-minute chart. Look at the 4-hour. Look at this shit. It looks awful, awful. If we get lower than this, like the next level, right here, yeah, 141.75. We get lower than this, like we haven't been that low since like fucking September. Look at this. I'm fucking scrolling. Let me go to the daily. So this wasn't even the all-time high, but Jesus Christ. I mean, I have to go to the weekly to go. Where the fuck are we? All right. September. We get past this level right here. We break this right here, which I think we're going to do. The next low is, we haven't gone this low since fucking is 18,408 or 20 or whatever that is on the fucking weekly. That's in September, guys. That's fucking 7 months ago. And if we break that shit, we're going to fucking August lows. If we break that shit, we're going to fucking April lows. It doesn't look good at all. This is the high. This is the all-time high, 22,434. Looks like fucking ass. What up, Nick? You short silver from 30, basically $35. Josh. Yeah, so I don't have anything against Funded Futures Network. Yeah, my bad for confusing it with fucking Family Futures. But I don't have any accounts with them. Can you get a Tradeify account with them? What the fuck is this? $25 25% consistency rule on a fucking eval. 40% consistency rule on an eval. What the fuck is Fund X? Is that Project X? It's like Quant Tower. I mean, 25% consistency. Well, get the fuck out of here. How much traffic do they get? They've been around since 2022 and they can't get a fucking Tradeify fucking license. Come on, guys. Like, how do you not get a fucking Tradeify license in 2 years? It's 2025. They get 100,000 visitors a month. I mean, I do like that 81% of them come from the United States. That's cool. I haven't heard any stories of like someone building up accounts with them and then fucking, they get to a payout and then they get fucking, their account their fucking shit gets denied and then they get kicked off the platform like fucking with Phidias. They don't really get that much traffic though. Yeah, I don't trust any of them. And they're not even that new. Allegedly, they've been around since 2022. Florencia. No, Florencia, that's yours. That's your account. Here's what you do. Take that shit to a payout, right? Did we square up yet? I don't even know if we squared up yet. Or if you even got it yet. You got you ended up getting a, that's fine. Yeah, you won it on Friday. Yeah, get it anyway. Get it anyway. Send me a copy of your, hit me up in the Discord, or send me a DM in Discord. Send me a copy of the receipt from grabbing that account, and I'll send you the 105 for what should have been a 25K, because that was the deal. But a lot of people that got the 20 that chose Take Profit Trader after winning the giveaway, they'll be like, "Can I grab the 50K and just pay me the 105?" And I'm like, "Yeah, of course." So just get it, and what you do is take that to a payout, and then fucking give back to the community, and we'll pay it forward. That's what I want you to do, if you don't mind. And you can still watch me trade it. You can still watch me trade like a perv, regardless. Because you won it. You won fair and square. So I want you to, that's the giveaway. V33. What's my strategy on Apex with evals? Have you enough? I don't have any Apex evals right now. I have 6 funded. I have 6 PAs. I want to grab some more. There was a fucking 90% off sale that dude Rips had, and I grabbed a fuck ton of accounts. I passed 10 evals. Here's 5 of them right here. The other 5 I blew on the first, literally in 12 minutes on Friday. So I want to get some more. I'm probably going to grab a few more. I'm going to grab a few more before the 80% off. That's what's going on. Yeah, the 80% off is ending today. The 80% off is ending officially today. So let me drop some links in here. I don't know if we're going to make, I don't know what's going to happen here. Although this kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders. Yeah, I think we're going to make new lows today. I'm telling you, man, if we get past this right here, which we kind of already did. No, we're not there yet. Hold on, let me zoom in on this fucking shit. Yo, right here. This could happen today. 147. We were right there. We're fucking 55 points away. We get lower than 147. We're dropping. We're going to drop fucking hard. That's what I think is going to happen. If we do. Or we're going to fucking bounce right off of that level and then pop to this pivot point and then maybe drop down again. I don't know. This shit is crazy. 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 Anyway. Yeah, Apex is ending tonight. 80% off. 80% off any size eval. What up, Just Ain't Right? Mwah. Yeah, that's what I heard. I heard that too. You get all these fucking guys getting fucking 90% off, and I can't even get a fucking response trying to get it myself. And I have a fucking rep. It's fucking annoying. All these motherfuckers get 90% off. I don't have anything against. I'm friends with Cage. I like Cage. It's just like, why can't I get a fucking? I'm like literally I'm like, every time someone does it, every time someone gets it, and I know Rips is fucking, we all know Rips is big, and obviously Patrick is huge, and Alpine and Nutty got it when they were on Patrick's show. I get all that shit. There's back at the pivot point. I know Cage has a big Discord, I think. I know he has a community, but I don't think he has a big channel. I don't get it. I don't fucking get it. I'm over here, like I'm out here fucking asking. Every time someone else gets it, I ask. And I get, that's all I hear. I'm like, yo, fucking, it's not a, I don't know who they're working with. How do you not know who they're working with? You fucking work there. Find out and put me in touch with them, bro. Fucking, what are you my rep for? You don't do shit for me. The only reason you became my rep is when I was fucking dogging Apex for denying me 8 fucking times with their new payout rules, and you were fucking threatening to terminate my account. And then I talked to the director of marketing. And then now I emailed the director of marketing. I don't even get a fucking response back. All I'm asking for is the same fucking treatment. I'm an affiliate too. They just know, you know what it is? You know why they won't give it to me? Because they know that my coupon code has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. Yeah, I'm in communication with Cage. I talk to Cage. Why do I have to go through? Why? It's just fucking sad. I already have a connect at Apex. Why do I have to go through fucking somebody else who has it? It's just fucking stupid. Yeah, AS, yeah, so they could buy more accounts. I don't know. I heard he was a good trader though. Florencia, I feel like he speaks every single day. What up, Alfred? What up, traders each? By the way, like I was saying, 80% off is ending tonight with Apex. It's ending tonight. I don't know if they're going to extend it. There's my link. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY if you want to support the channel. But I get it. Or you could just hold off for for anyone other than me to get fucking 90% off, because it seems like anybody other than me is getting 90% off. The fuck out of here with this shit. Also, take profit trader is still 30% off with no activation fee. 30% off with no activation fee. Using the best code ZERODAYJay. Yeah. Yeah. The best code ZERODAYJay to get you 30% off. Take profit trader. No activation fee. Exclusive. It's exclusive, guys. Just kidding. It's not. It's not. I hope My Fund the Futures does something better than what they did last month. Oh, bulenox, their 83% off option 1, 25Ks or bigger is ending tonight as well. 83% off 25K or bigger option 1 ending tonight for bulenox. And then I don't know what they're going to do next, but they always do something, right? They're always doing something. I just don't know what it's going to be. Maybe they go back to 91%. Maybe they go down to 75%. Trade day, I don't know. Trade day, yeah. Don't expect anything from the leech. 40% off a trade day, intraday, static. They got all that shit. End of day now. Marcin, what up? This pivot point is holding fucking resistance here. We just retested it twice. One thing I know My Fund the Futures brought back was 5% off of 5% off of anything that's not on sale. The only thing that's been on sale is that new fucking, what's up, Maximus? Is that new fucking that new fucking Eve Out Alive shit. 10% off that shit with code ZERODAYJay. If you want to fuck with it, I don't recommend them. Or if you've never had an account with them before, you can get 25% off of a Starter Plus account. However, you could, if you're just looking for the cheapest My Fund the Futures offer product that they offer, the 50K Starter Plus with code ZERODAYJay is $92. There's no activation fee on any of the evals, and resets are 5% off too using code ZERODAYJay. What up, Gain Weight? What up? Hopefully they'll have a better promotion for fucking April than this bullshit. These nuts is salty. Gained weight for 90% off. Yeah, Florencia. Well, they have two. One of them is like a 2-step and the other one's like a 3-step. It's fucking crazy. Wait, Florencia. I thought you said you got a Take Profit Trader account. Well, whatever. You could, Florencia, just make sure you hit me up. Join the Discord and hit me up. I think you're in the Discord already. I squared up with like almost everybody so far. I think there's a couple of people I still gotta get in touch with or get back to. Yeah, Florencia, join the Discord and then hit me up so I could get you taken care of with the. All right, cool. Yeah. So just hit me up and send me a copy of your. There's no real receipt you can send unless you pay with PayPal, but send me like a picture of your dashboard where it tells you when it renews, where it's going to renew, like in the, what the fuck section is that called? The control center. Just send me a picture, like send me a screenshot of that and how to pay you back. Zelle, I'll send you $105. Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, any of that. Oh, nice. Yeah, Florencia, you're loaded up with My Fund the Futures. Nick Trades, what's up, man? You like seeing me in the glasses? You like seeing me look like a fucking Professor Degen? Oh my God, Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. I mean, I fucking didn't trade it all. I could have fucking traded. I could have played this fucking drop and this bounce and this drop. I have to get more accounts. That's what I have to do. But I don't even know if I want to trade now. I got to wake up. I have to wake up at fucking. I have a physical therapy appointment at 9. And I got to shower before I go. So I'm going to be too close to my physical therapist. I definitely need to shower. She's going to be grinding on my finger. Literally. Gotta be fresh and clean for that. You know what I'm saying? Trevor LeConte's here, guys. You got to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. This one right here. It's got a nice little bend to it, too. You see this shit? Shit is fucked. Look. It was already like that, kind of, but it's just more pronounced now because I broke it again in that spot, and I broke it here. Look at that shit. That's how it was with the pin in it. And then as soon as the pin came out, it went bloop. It's got a nice little bend to it. Oh, man. Fuck my life. Yo, it was brutal. It was so brutal. And I put myself in like this. She fucking showed me how to really get it to fucking stay bent for a little bit with like a fucking, I'll do it one day. I think I posted a picture of it where it's in like a fucking tourniquet with fucking like that tape. It's like tape wrap or whatever. And like it fucking forces it to bend. And I've been doing that all weekend. By the way, the best code for all those links I dropped above is ZERODAYJAY. Brasi, what up? Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I mean it's been pretty. We dumped when the market opened. We gapped down, and then we bounced here. We retested at the fucking, well, we blew through the VWAP, but we retested at the bottom orb. Rejected, came back up to the 618, rejected there, and then came back up to the bottom. We haven't been able to get above the bottom orb, like right below the bottom orb here, and the 707 on the Fibonacci, the happy little Fibonacci. And then here we are. We just retested the low of day. There's an ugly level right below this. If we get down to like, if we get below 147, we're fucking gonna drop a lot probably. I'll probably, and I'm going to wake up and be like, holy fuck, we're under 19,000. That's what's going to happen. Either that or we're going to fucking pump. But I don't know. Because we got all this tariff deadline shit happening today. And we got a busy week ahead of us. Your pinky permanently, dude? Mikey. What up, Mikey? Trumping dump. Scooby, what's good, man? Yo, permanently like that, bro? That's fucking crazy. Might see, like, he doesn't want me to straighten it because this was fucking, I don't know if you could see it, but this right here, this was broken and dislocated. So it kept popping out. So he doesn't want me straightening this thing out, like trying to fucking like work this to straighten for a while. So it might just permanently. He'd rather me be able to fucking bend it and fucking have functionality so I could like use it. Who cares? He doesn't care so much about how it looks. He wants to be able to actually fucking use it. Damn, bro. That's rough, man. I broke this twice. And then the second time I broke this, I also broke this back in January. And then the first time I did it was 20 years ago. Kang Dao, what up? How many contracts am I trading on my PAs? 3. So like when I copy trade these 5, I will go in with 15 across all 5 accounts. I didn't trade with 3 today with 212 because I was on day 8 and I didn't want to fuck it up. So I locked in day 8 for a max payout. I'm in the promised land, the happy kingdom, the magical kingdom of max payout land. And I put like a, and I had a daily loss limit set to not let me. I actually used the risk settings. Not that the problem with these risk settings in fucking Tradeify is I could literally just go like this, right? Let's say my daily loss limit got hit. If I'm fucking tilting or I'm annoyed, I could easily just fucking undo it or expand it. So that's the problem with Tradeify. It's like with Project SlipX, it literally locks you out. Like you can't fucking touch it if you do the lockout feature. But, if you can show some self-control, it'll help you a little bit at the very least. Let me just make sure I'm on day 8. Oh, shit. Oh, no, never mind. Thought we were lower. Yeah, Zayback. Yep. Trump farted. He rolled over in his bed and farted, and the market fucking dumped. Uh, 212. Yep, I'm on day 8. Day fucking 8. Done. Another $2,000 I could have walked away from, Jay. What's up, Anna? Yeah. Yeah, on those big accounts, on the 250s, and that's the other thing with those Apex accounts. The Apex deal, the 250s and the 300s are the same price as the 50Ks. They have $33.40 until the end of the day. And then the lifetime PA activation fee is back for those 2 accounts. I just don't know if you'll be able to pay that. I don't know if that $85 lifetime activation fee goes away when the sale ends. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. Sometimes I've seen it stay. Sometimes it doesn't. Roger, will I be able to play baseball? Yes, I believe so. I sure fucking hope so. I should be able to again. It just doesn't feel like anytime soon. I think my team got eliminated from the playoffs in the first round yesterday. Which sucks, but I literally played 1 game with them. Well, there was 2 teams. Yeah, there's an upper and a lower team. I was playing with the upper, then I helped the lower team out. And that's when I broke my finger. I stuck around to help them. It's like taking just 1 more trade. And I said, just 1 more game. Just 1 more game. And I fucking broke this shit in the first fucking inning. That was on January 5th. Here we are fucking going into April. Going into fucking April. Look at this. And then we're back to this fucking bullshit chop. Baseball, Lee. Baseball. The real thing. Nick, man. Join the club, bro. You got to trust in what you got to trust what you see, bro. Were you leveraged too much? The worst is getting having all your fucking drawdown fucking taken from you. And then the move happens. Yeah, that's all right, man. That happened to me with these accounts. Let me find that shit. Right here. So check this out. First, I lose money. I lose like $500. Let me see. It was well, let's just say this week. Yeah, I was down as much as $540, but I lost, look, $350. Yeah, $530 in all 5 accounts. And then I got $570 back. Is that what yeah. Then I did all this. But look. Oops. Look at this fucking shit. This is so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. So I got taken out here. My first take profit got hit. I had it at 99.50. It gets hit. No. My first take profit to take me out of 1. Where was it? This was the first one right here. And then I had to take profit at 206. See this? I had this 206, and I also had 220. 220. So right here, I get taken out of the first one here at 99.50, and then I have the other 2 left in all 5 accounts. I had 3 in each account. And then I get fucking stopped out here. Like I'm trailing aggressively now after I get taken out of my first take profit. It fucking drops like 17 points. And I get stopped out right here because I didn't want to fucking whatever. I get stopped out here for a gain, put me up $667. This little fucking dip happens, and then it pops, hits my second take profit right here, which would have made me another like $300. And then my third take profit got hit like 10 minutes later. We fucking popped. We fucking popped. We fucking pumped so hard. So it would have been another fucking like $600. Now that I'm doing the math in my head, would have been like another almost $600. I'd be up like $1,200 in these accounts today. So fucking annoying because I was fucking right. I was right. I was fucking right. But what are you gonna do? 667 is good. I'm good with that. I'll take it. I mean, I'm averaging fucking, I'm at 1360 across 5 accounts. I'm averaging 680 a day in those accounts. So I need to get to 4,100 is max payout land. The magical kingdom of max payout land. I could do that on day 6 at this pace. But I want to have bigger days. This is like this is on the low end for what I'm looking for now. What up, GMAT? Yeah, Florencia. I mean, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised, Florencia. Great job. Well, the team I broke here and dislocated this. I think this was already dislocated from another fucking incident in another game, but it definitely got redislocated or more dislocated. It was my team. But the guy that runs the team has 2. Lee, the guy that runs the team, he has an upper and a lower. I play for both. I play mostly for the lower, but I also played on the upper too. I was gonna play on the upper all season, and I was probably gonna bounce around because I'm always down to play an extra game, and they didn't have enough guys. He wasn't even gonna put that team in the league, the lower team, because he didn't like a lot of guys that play over the summer. weren't playing and they didn't want to play in the winter. But the guy that runs the league, we're friends with the commissioner. And he's like, yo, bro, can you just put it? I need one more team in the lower division. And I got a bunch of guys that want to play from other teams that aren't playing in the league this season. Can you just run it for me? So he took all these guys and just threw it, just to make Dave happy. Did it for Dave, the commissioner. And that's the team I fucking stuck around to help and broke my finger from. But I would have been playing with them anyway. I'm on the team. Yeah, I'm never fucking. What up, Tristan? What up, Pawn? Yeah, dude, Pawn, look at this shit. Look at the weekly, bro. We fucking motherfucker. If we break right here, if we break like 140 or whatever that level is right there, if we break this, we're going to fucking go down a bunch probably. Whatever this is, 140, 142, 147. I don't even know what the level is. Let's just say we get below 140. Can I fucking... $139.25 according to TradingView. 139.25 is the low of this weekly candle. The next low after that is fucking on the weekly is a long way down. If I would have, I don't know about the daily and all this shit. I don't feel like fucking doing any more zooming and shit, but it's fucking looking bad. It looks like ass. Look at it. This is the hourly. This was after this shit on fucking Friday. What did we drop? From 965 to fucking 358. And now we're down in the ones. We're down on the 200. Yeah, September, Pawn. September. And then the next level down from September is fucking August. And then right after that, the next level after that is in April. We were looking at it before. It's fucking scary. What up, Bull Tent? NJ, yeah, I play for both teams. Don't tell my wife. Donna, what's up? You guys are motherfuckers. I love it. I love it. Not you, Donna. I'm a motherfucker too. Literally. Damn, it's fucking 3:30. I have to fucking be up. I wanted to wake up at like 5 after 8. You know what's crazy? I'm not the only one who fucking got put on the shelf. And the guy that runs the team, Daryl, he fucking like fractured. He was playing in a tournament that I would have been playing in with him if I didn't get hurt. He fucking broke some bone in his fucking wrist swinging the bat. He swung and missed and fucking broke something in here. Was it on his on his bottom hand, on his glove hand? Because he throws righty, and he's one of our main pitchers. He's a fucking good player, good pitcher for sure. He's a good all-around player, and he could hit, he could field, but he pitches for us primarily, and he fucking broke some fucking bone in here. And then another dude who I'm actually texting right now, Conrad, who fucking mashes. He tore his meniscus. Those are like, That's three key guys fucking banged up, out for a while. Fucking sucks. Jamila. Jamila. What's up, Benny? Yeah, I can see that point. I can see that happening, like going into the Open. How old are these guys? Daryl. I think I'm older than all of them. I'm older than all of them. I've been very durable. I've been banged up and shit, tweaks here and there and stuff, but I fucking play. I never miss any. I've never missed shit. I haven't been hurt where I'm missing games for a while. Years. Daryl's 30. How old is Daryl now? 32? I mean, we play with college kids. We play against college kids. We play against guys that were ex-pros and shit, but, or guys who played in college. It ranges. I mean, we're in this league. This league right here is 18 and over. So, like our team, our teams have like the thing about the older guys like me, like the hitting fucking older guys just keep getting, like, guys that know how to hit and they work on it. They get better at hit. They get better and better at hitting. Like the hitting doesn't fucking deteriorate until you're in your fucking 50s or later. Like I was hitting the best I've ever hit in my life. Like I was, fucking barreling shit up left and right. And then I broke my fucking finger. I hit my first ever home run. Like I've had like warning track power. I fucking hit it. My first ever home run was a fucking game sealing fucking grand slam with 2 outs. Center field. 2-hole. The 2-hole. On the team I play on primarily, I hit in the 2-hole and I play center field. And when I play with the upper team, I'll hit a little bit. I don't know, they have me hitting it in the 5-hole, but I'll hit like 5 through 5, 6, 7, 8 or whatever on that other team and play left field. Pawn, that's fucking funny. You would get a designated, you would get a runner. You would get a runner. Look, this shit looks so fucking bad. Let's look at the 4-hour. Look at the 4-hour. Could you imagine going down another 800 points? Nah, outfield is hard, man. Especially with the wind that we get out here, man. When it's fucking windy out, it's brutal. Jason Derulo, trader, backtest. That's funny. Yeah, this shit just doesn't want it. It's hanging, but it's not. I don't know. $450. That's the bottom of this fucking hourly, this 4-hour candle right here, basically. 445. 440. What up, Keegan? Tech reviews. I have not traded with Tradeify. But a lot of people do well with them. I mean, they're kind of new. They've been around for a little over a year now, but I feel like they're going to be around for a while. They are running the prop firm well. I don't trust Brett personally from past experiences. That's why I haven't really fucked with them. For the stream, T. Cooper, what up? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fucking just get links for all this shit that you guys asked for me for and just put on a list on a website and say, I'm not promoting these prop firms. There's just a list on my website with links to them that have and my code. That's probably what's going to happen next. What's up, Coral Sky? Di Lorenzo rolling in his benzo. Coral Sky. I'm just getting ready to get off. I didn't even trade. I don't know. I didn't feel like grabbing any new accounts. Kind of want to soak this in for a little bit. Soak in the fact that I locked myself in for a 2K payout request. Logan. I just don't want to stay up till 6 o'clock in the morning because I need to go back to sleep and I have physical therapy at 9 o'clock. I did that and I passed my fucking Top Step evals. I just don't know if they're going to give me, I don't know if they're going to let me slide. I guess we'll find out. I could try to lose money on purpose. I don't know if I really want to. Sometimes I do, Lee. Sometimes I do. There's been some fucking streams where like I didn't get on until 2. Sometimes I don't fucking get on. Sometimes I'll fucking stay on till 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. But my usual time that I stay on to is around now. What up, Road Dog? I'm in PST. I'm in specific time. I'm in Vegas. What up, Mike? Yeah. I feel bad because I didn't take any. We kind of just hanging out and bullshitting. I didn't take any trades. I didn't take any trades for the stream because I didn't have any accounts to trade and I didn't feel like grabbing any new ones. I might fucking reset a Take Profit Trader account. I don't fucking know. I don't know. We'll see. I'll save it for the stream. Or not. I'll do something. Probably grab some more Apex accounts. Yeah, Lee. Yep. Oh, Mike Lowry's brother, Jake Lowry's here, guys. How long have I been trading with prop firms? Since October of 23. Yeah, Road. I mean, there were plenty of opportunities, though. That's the thing. Like, we fucking popped here, rejected off the VWAP, but now we've been kind of going sideways, although we've been in like a decent range. 25-point range before we just broke out of it. But this right here, we retested. As I was coming on the stream, we were retesting the low of day. The Asia lows we retested, and we bounced right before it. And fucking popped to the VWAP. Nick, what up? You know what's funny? I never wear those glasses. I never wore those glasses. I've had that prescription for like a year and a half. Almost 2 years. I never fucking wore them. I wore them in the beginning and then I stopped wearing them because they're just annoying. But I wore them the other day. I felt like it would make me a better trader if I wore those glasses. You know? Yeah, I'm not touching these. I'm fucking done with these accounts. Let me just make sure I'm fucking done with these accounts. Yeah, Road Dog. I didn't get my first payout until fucking from any firm. I didn't get a payout from any firm until 7 months in. May 2nd was the first time I requested a payout, and it was with Apex. I've gotten plenty since. Trevor LeConte probably doesn't wear glasses. We might be going back to the VWAP if we could get up there. I don't know. We might pump. I don't fucking know. All I know is I'm going to fucking wake up. I'm going to wake back up and be like, oh, shit, look what happened. Because that's what always happens because I miss the open most of the time. Almost all of the time. Oh, I was actually telling Jake Lowry, Mike Lowry's brother, that I didn't get my first payout until May. I didn't mean to. I said Road Dog. I meant to answer. That was for Jake. That was for all of you guys, but most of you guys already know that. What up, Wiser Than Most? Hey, at least you passed the Take Profit Trader account. Now you could go back to the other shit. Now you could go fucking scouring the internet for Sophie Rain nudes without having to pay for them. Wiser Than Most. Yeah, Florencia, and look at you now. You're actually a fucking beast. Bull tent, 20 months. See, we're all on our own fucking. We're all on a journey here. We're all on a fucking journey. Everybody's on their own path, on their own timeline. Imagine like bull tent. It took bull tent 20 fucking months. I can only imagine how many times fucking bull tent wanted to just fucking throw in the towel and say fuck this. What's up, Cody? But that's why I tell people all the time, like, there's some. I mean, Florencia, fucking 70K is a commitment too, you know. But hey, now look what's happening. I'm sure I don't know if you've paid off all your tuition yet, but I'm sure your trajectory is you've been fucking profitable for a while now. And you just keep that fucking distance between how much you've gotten in payouts and how much it's cost you for accounts is shrinking by the fucking day. And that's all that matters. When I fucking show people my Apex tuition, they're like, oh my God. Yeah, but like that doesn't tell the whole story from day one. The story is what's been happening since I started getting payouts. How does it work? Once you pass the combine, you have to pay the activation fee for the funded account, which they call an XFA. And then you got to take that. You need 5 days of 200 or more, and then you can request a payout. That's basically it with Top Step. It's pretty basic. Yeah, I mean, AS, there's that too. People fucking, I mean, which is amazing. Which is amazing, getting paid that quick. But you're going to have dry spells. February was fucking awful for me. After feeling real good about the situation, like I had 2 5-figure months in a row, and then in February I did $1,850. I was like, what the fuck? I kept fucking blowing accounts. I kept blowing accounts right at the finish line. I fucked myself out of so many payouts in February, and then this month I did over 9,000. You could go over a little bit. Like I went over a little bit. They're not like super strict with the 50% consistency rule. They don't have a consistency rule on funded accounts though. Road Dog. Only on evals. Only on evals. Take Profit Trader is a really good prop firm. They have a consistency rule on evals only, just like Take Profit, just like Top Step, but they're real strict with it. Like if you go a 100th of a percentage over 50%, they will make you continue trading. I played it, why is that? Because you can't have fucking 20 Take Profit Trader accounts, let alone 6. I play this game. I like playing the game. I want to pay off my tuition. Playing this game actually, forces me to trade a certain way, which technically could make me a better trader. And for a while, I was trading Apex better than I was trading any other prop firm. I didn't get my first payouts with Take Profit Trader until this month. And I got almost 4,000. Could have been 5,000 if I didn't unpay myself. But hey, it happens. Finally got to experience the fucking day one payouts and the daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. It is fucking amazing. I like that more than anything else. I actually got more payouts with Top Step than any other prop firm this month. It's just crazy how it happens. Like, I don't know. I'll take it from whatever prop firm I'm trading with. I don't care. It's just the way it played out. Damn, T. Cooper. Yeah, that's where I was trading. I was trading options before I fucked with prop firms. Bull 10. I fucking I put a. I am close, but I fucking increased the distance last month a lot and this month because I didn't get a lot of payouts and I blew through a lot of accounts. But I'm still close. If I didn't fumble the bag as much as I did in February, I would have paid it off. Also, if I was going for, first of all, if Apex didn't change their fucking payout format and fucking introduce the fucking safety net and buffer and make you go grow the accounts more, and they were still the other way where you get over the 20, you get to 2,600 and you could take out 2,000. If that never went away, I would have paid my tuition off in November. But I have made a decision a few weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, basically when I got this account, that I'm going for max payout or bust. Just like, look, I'll show you guys again, and then I'm gonna get off because I gotta go to sleep. Let me log into my Apex account. We were fucking around with this the other day. Damn, my fucking finger hurts. Like, look at all this. You see all these 690, 595, 925, 925, 514, 541, 640s, 951, 941, 6, like all this shit. If I was just going for max payouts, you know how much more fucking money I would have made? So that's what I'm doing. Because I'm just blowing account. I blow accounts anyway. I'm gonna blow funded accounts anyway. Might as well fucking take my, go for it. Instead of going for fucking and getting my 8s in and just barely being over the fucking buffer to take 514 out. Why not fucking go all the way and take out fucking 2,000? And that's what's about to happen with this account after the market closes. I'm going to request fucking $2,000 here. I don't know if it's going to get approved. I don't see why it wouldn't. I didn't violate any fucking rules. Let's see what this account's looking like. %70 win rate. Largest losing trade, 675. I mean, I've come close to fucking violating the rule, but I didn't. That's where I would set my stop. I would set my stop to right before the fucking 30% drawdown rule would get violated. Largest winning trade, 1460. Average winning trade, 254. Average losing trade, 265. Not bad. I'll take 70%. I don't care what my winning rate is. If I'm getting fucking paid, that's all that matters. But 70% is pretty good. No complaints here. No complaints. Oh, wow. We did go back to the VWAP. Is this going to hold here, or are we going to fucking... Interesting. This is after fucking retesting the Asia low. Back up almost 70 points. I think it's the 5th. Safety net. Oh, there's a safety net for the first 3 payouts. There's no more safety net after the 3rd payout. That doesn't mean you could take out the max. And then the 100% payout eligibility is what I want to do. This is one of my goals for this year, to be able to do this with a bunch of accounts. The 6 payout and beyond. Starting from the 6 payout, traders can access 100% of their profits, even if this is achieved earlier than 4 months. I have never gotten more than 2 payouts from a single account. So that's what this is what I'm working towards right here, to be able to do this. That's one of my big, hairy, audacious goals for this fucking year. That and 6 figures, 6-figure payout, 6 figures worth of payouts by the end of the year. I am at, man, February fucking sucked. I'm at 22,834 after 3 months. If February wasn't so bad, I'd be ahead of the pace. I'll make up for it though. 22,834 times 4. That would, at this current pace, it would be 91, just over 91,000. I'll do it. It's going to happen. Nice, Bull Tent. See, look at Bull Tent. Bull Tent, remember what Bull Tent said like 20 minutes ago? He said it took him 20 months before he got his first payout. 20 months of fucking failure before he got his first ever payout. Oh, I've done that, Jake. I've done the same fucking thing, Jake, on the fucking stream. I've done it on streams while I'm streaming. What's up, Holy Earth? I've done some crazy shit while I'm on the streams. I don't know if I've seen it all, but I've seen a lot, man. I've put myself through some of the dumbest shit ever. Rips did? Are you just talking shit? Or are you being serious? Wiser than most? Yeah, T. Cooper, it's going to be crazy, bro. Lee, that's fucking funny, bro. That's a good one. I'll be on, by the way, I'll be back on Top Step TV for my 5th appearance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Anything you say, 5th. Yeah, Friday, 12:15 Eastern. I will be on Top Step TV. Hopefully, I'll still have these funded accounts. I'll be able to trade these during the fucking stream. I'll do it for the stream. Who's Rips? Just some big prop firm guy. No fucking way, Bull Tent. Are you serious? Damn. Wiser than most. I don't know if I should believe you, bro. Bull Tent got the Neuralink. Fucking Elon's telling him what trades to take. That's nuts. That's crazy though. I'm glad it worked out. I'm glad it worked out for you. Maybe. He fucking had a little operation to fucking make him more stoic. You guys are fucking funny. Oh shit. We're all fucking laughing about him getting the Neuralink. And this motherfucker fell off a fucking stage at work. Staging at work. What, like scaffolding type shit? That's crazy, man. Little flip. Oh my God, bro. Ugh. I fucking just having been injured before. Anytime I hear about other people's injuries, fucking like gives me fucking the heebie-jeebies, man. Yeah, holy shit, Bull Tent. It kind of makes sense why I haven't seen you around now that I think about it, because you always popped on the streams to say what's up, and I haven't seen you in like 2 months. Yo, AS is going to throw himself off some staging too, just so we could hook up with your doctor and become a better trader when he when he recovers. Oh my God. Head first. He fucking dove off of that shit. He was like, fuck you, NQ. He fucking jumped. He jumped. Damn, bro. Well, I'm glad you're fucking here and you're fucking good, man. Maybe just that whole fucking experience just had you fucking looking at life a different way. Maybe put things into perspective a little bit more for you. And that new perspective and that new appreciation for life, has you trading a different way. Yeah, I could only imagine. Fucking crazy. Damn, we're closing in on a fucking new hour already. What up, King? No shit, bro. Gambling my way to habitual payouts. Imagine coming on someone's stream where we're all fucking chilling out. It's probably the same person I just kicked out of my fucking Discord earlier today for being a fucking jerk off. Yeah. What up, Raider? Yep. You're nothing but a gambler. Why don't I grow up? Why the fuck would I let you back in my shit? Go fuck yourself. You already lost the privilege. You couldn't grow up. That's the problem. You think you could just be disrespectful and fucking disrespect me and all the members of the fucking community and just come in and act like nothing ever happened? Fuck off. Eat a dick. You're nothing but a gambler. I don't even know if I'm talking to the right person, but you could go fuck yourself too, King Coleman. You're nothing but a gambler. Just gamble my way to another fucking payout. How about you fucking fuck off? So stupid. What up, Dilzik? Gamble my way to 5,000 subscribers. That's right. I don't even know if it's the same person, but it probably is. AS. That is a new 2K payout. Yes, sir. Just gambling. If it's who I'm thinking it is, the kid brags about all this money he makes prop from trading, but is obsessed with me. Wants to hang out in my Discord so fucking bad. What up, Gino? I got shit. Hold on. Let me see if I can find it. Let me hide my fucking screen. Someone actually fucking hacked my fucking Discord account. Dude, you gotta fucking wait. You gotta fucking wait for the Black Friday deals. The fucking the end of year deals are insane. Hold on a second. Let me hide my screen real quick. I'll tell you what I got. You're nothing but a gambler. What up, Divergence? Exactly, bro. GMAT. Like anyone taking a trade right now is gambling is betting that if you go in long, you're betting that the market is going to go up. If you go in short, you're betting, aka gambling, that it's going to go down. What the fuck? What's the fucking problem? I have, dude, I got fucking premium. I forgot what I had. I paid fucking, they had some crazy deal at the end of the year. I paid $216 for premium, for an annual premium subscription. Divergence, what's good? Literally, what up, J Money? I paid fucking $216.96 for an annual premium account. Before that, I had a before that I played $300 for the year for a plus subscription. I paid less money for a premium than I did a plus. What up, Greg? Order flow. Yeah, the Black Friday deals on TradingView are insane. Premium is 600. Holy fuck. Greg, fantastic. Look at that rejection off the VWAP. New hour fuckery. Look at that. Already down 30-something points. Imagine creating an account. I don't know if that's the same. I don't know if it's one of my fucking favorite haters, but imagine fucking coming on someone's stream. Like, read the fucking room. We're all fucking hanging out in here, bullshitting. Yeah. I mean, it's not 3K until it hits my bank account, but it was a good day. But this one right here, 212. This is day 8. This is $2,000. I'm gonna be requesting $2,000 at the end of the day. I'll probably have a payout request party. I don't know if my son's going to soccer, but if he does, I will request during the whip stream. Let me just make sure I did that already 500 times. But imagine creating an account. If that was the same person I'm thinking it was, imagine creating an account, a YouTube account, just so you could and then subscribing and waiting 5 minutes just so you could say that. And if it's not, what's up, Scourge? Imagine fucking just subscribing to someone's channel, because you can't fucking comment on here until you subscribe, and you're fucking subscribed for 5 minutes minimum. Imagine fucking subscribing to someone's channel, sitting there for 5 minutes just so you could fucking say what that fucking loser said. You're the gambler. What kind of fucking life is that? Fucking clown. Bunch of fucking clowns. What up, Angel? 5 minutes. Imagine the anticipation of being able to fucking say it. Oh my God. Oh, only 3 minutes left. Only 3 minutes left. And I could fucking tell him what I think about him and how he trades. Yeah, AS. They're fucking weirdos, man. Jamila fucking put it so eloquently when she calls it weirdo behavior. It's so fucking true. What up, Ree? Fuck yeah, Ree. That's a lot, man. He has a bowling channel, right? It's like a bowling channel, right? It's fucking crazy. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. You could be doing anything at 7 o'clock. You could be doing anything at 7 o'clock in the morning, but you come on my stream, subscribe to my channel, wait 5 fucking minutes just to fucking say dumb fuck shit. Greg said he never liked bowling. One up, all in on the golden shower. One up. Yep. Oh fuck, hold on, I gotta close this shit out. Damn. There we go. Ah, you fuck. Why doesn't it just go to the NQ like I was just on? We rejected off the same spot in the golden shower pocket, just before the bottom orb and the 707. And look at this. Oh, man, we might fucking do it now. Fucking crazy, T. Cooper. It's crazy. Angel, what's good? Scourge, what up, man? Order flow, what's good? I think I said what's up to you, but what up again? Yeah, gain weight's going to tell me how he really feels. Oh my God. Like, they don't even think about, you know how selfish you have to be to fucking come in here and do that? Think about that. There's 163 other people in here. All being fucking, we're all just chilling, having a good time. I didn't even take a single fucking trade in this whole fucking stream, although I wish I did. Damn. Yeah. Nice play. I will fucking, oh my God. Dude, this might be it, man. We might make new lows. I don't know. It looks ugly. Right? Not that I didn't want to trade. I just didn't grab any new accounts. We were kind of just bullshitting. The VWAP, man. Look at that. Just could not fucking get back over the VWAP after getting back under it. Right here. Rejected. Lower lows from the last rejection, though. The last time we rejected, we didn't get quite as low. So I don't know, man. This could be this is the 160 is the Asia low too. What up, Zach? What's my secret? I gamble the fuck out of all my accounts. I guess my way in and I guess my way out. You know the secret. What up, Alfred? Yeah, it's crazy, Alfred. It's crazy. I don't know if that was the usual person I have to fucking kick from my streams in the Discord. That's the secret. Guessing my way to habitual payouts. Another one. Yeah, T. Cooper. Yep. Lee. Yep. That's all we're doing is guessing. Some people are better at guessing than others, based on the information that they've, based on the data that they've, read through. All right. It's fucking 4. It's 10 after 4. I got to wake up soon. So I gotta pack it in. I'll be back on for Power Hour. I will definitely be trading for Power Hour. Yo, for fucking Ree to have 9,000 subscribers on a bowling channel, he's got to be fucking good. You got to be good at bowling to have 9,000. It's not the same as trading. Like, watch me suck at trading, which is like me. Wohi mohi, thank you. Which has been me for a long time. I've gotten better. I get better every day, right? Every day in every way, I'm getting better at this trading shit. But to be able to fucking build a channel from bowling at 9 to build that shit to 9K, you can't be like this crappy bowler. It's impressive. It's really impressive. Shout out to anyone who builds channels up, man. The power. Oh my God. Yeah. Fucking weirdo. What a bunch of weirdos, man. This is King Coleman. King Coleman creating another account. This made another account and then sat there for subscribed to the channel and sat there for 5 minutes just to say some weird shit. I'm not worried about Patrick Weiland. Good for Patrick. I fucking have nothing but respect and admiration for the guy. Anyway, you could go fuck yourself. Another fucking loser, or the same loser. Fucking loser. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I'll see you guys fucking the Ozone Park Wave. Yo, JW, what up, man? That's all right. You got something. Yeah, I can't wait to have my physical therapy appointment. It's gonna be awesome. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be on for Power Hour at 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern. All right. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. If not, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Thanks again for coming to hang out.